We are now going to talk about handling contested adoptions, and this is something that we've touched on here and there throughout everything else we've talked about, because this really is part of the heart of what we do, dealing with the difficult cases. So the first thing that you need to be aware of is, how do you anticipate when an adoption is going to become contested? Basically, an adoption becomes contested when a birth parent refuses to sign a consent to an adoption, or they revoke their consent to an adoption. But that sounds a little bit too easy. The job of the adoption attorney is to anticipate when this may happen. And part of that is getting as much documentation and as much information ahead of the game as you possibly can. You have to conduct a really thorough interview with your prospective clients to determine when a situation is potentially going to become contested. You could have a situation where the birth mother and her new husband are having difficulties, and that's going to cause a case to become contested. You might be dealing with the child's stepfather who is adopting the child. There's all different situations here. For purposes of this discussion, I want to take the basic situation of a step-parent, a stepfather, who is adopting the child of his new wife. And we have a birth father out there somewhere who is now going to contest the adoption.